Hey Justin, my name is Marquis and I am the owner of Nomatic Marketing. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you three things you can do today in order to start bringing in more customers to your business. Now, most likely you're just kind of like sitting here asking yourself, why am I even doing this in the first place? Or better yet, what's in it for me? And, those are valid questions. Honestly, I've met so many business owners that, they spend so much time just trying to get their business up and running and worrying about their business as a whole that they don't seem to realize all the different ways that they can use the internet to kind of like benefit them. And it's one of the only hesitations that they tend to have to actually working with someone, even like myself, is they just don't know, who's an expert, who isn't, or who's going to actually help them, or who's going to end up taking their money and run. I've just learned that by giving people a free attack plan of things that they can use to actually impact their business today, it's resulted in business owners, well, at least some, just kind of raising their hands and saying, like, hey, Marquise, could you just do this for me? So if by the end of the video you feel like what I've told you is helpful and you think that maybe I could help you a little bit more, give me a call and maybe we can chat. Or you can actually take all of this information and do it yourself. Just because of your background and what you do, a lot of this stuff you can do on your own without any outside help, which would save you a lot of money. So, without further ado, we're just going to kind of jump into it. So, I'm going to show you three things that'll basically just set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. All right. So, three things that we're going to go over today are going to be presence, omni-channel marketing, and backlinks. So, the first is presence. So, when it comes to your overall presence, I see that you do have a Facebook page, which is great. You have about 13 likes, 123 followers. You posted a lot of your information on here, and it looks like you do social media graphics as well as create business cards. Now, this is a wonderful space in order to showcase your information, but I look at Facebook, especially Facebook pages for your business, as more of a citation. Now, citations isn't something that I'm going to go into in this video, but to give you a brief overview of citations, they're essentially anywhere across the internet that showcases your name, address, and phone number exactly the same for your business. Basically, the more places that has that kind of information, the better your business looks across the internet. So Facebook pages, they're more of like a citation page for me. What I think would better benefit you would actually be to utilize something along the lines of an actual website, or more specifically for you, just a landing page. So it looks like you do business card design, social media graphics. I think I had tried to go through this a little bit, but it didn't show me too much more of what you did. And that's perfectly all right. But by having a page that would be a dedicated landing page, it could show you or show a potential customer exactly the types of things that you do. So this is a landing page that we built for actually one of our clients here. Um, and as you can see, it has the menu items up here, like it would be an actual business page, but it is a landing page. It is designed specifically for funneling customers in a sales funnel style. Just having all the relevant information right on the page, something easy, um, and very direct, and basically has the calls to action necessary in order to turn a potential user into a potential customer. And I feel like with your background, you can easily use something like Wix or like Squarespace, or even if you're running WordPress with um, some kind of like add-on or plugin, you can easily build something like this on your own. So the second thing would be omni-channel marketing. So when it comes to omni-channel marketing, I am from the school of market yourself across a wide variety of places so that many different types of people and users can see you, because not all the users or potential customers go to the same place. So one place like that would be Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace for people that have your kind of skill set. Even if I were to put in something like business card just business card design, you know. There are people that design business cards on here, which is great for a person like you because you could easily post your information on here and then showcase what you've done for other people. And people just come in as they see it and they would just utilize your skill set for one of their projects. Another place that you could put your information would be Upwork. Now, I'm not sure if you use Upwork also. And when I'm talking about all of these different places to post your information, I'm not saying one or the other. I'm saying all of them, not just one. You don't want to just post the information on just Fiverr or just Upwork. No, you want it on Fiverr, Upwork, as many places as possible so that people that are utilizing these platforms can actually see you. A third place that actually I tend to gravitate to more than any of the other ones, Fiverr or Upwork, is Craigslist. So Craigslist is a perfect place in order to find services that most people don't even realize. So this is an ad that we're actually running for Nomatic Marketing right now for affordable website and digital marketing services on Craigslist. I've seen by utilizing Craigslist that we have gotten so many customers that are just coming in and contacting us and literally calling us directly. And the only thing that we have to do is post one ad in a place a week. And Facebook ads cost about like $5. So basically, what we would do is post an ad in a place and then restart that ad every like Sunday or Monday. You can literally go in and then just click like restart or like redo or something like that in order to turn the ad back on and run it again. And the greatest part about it is that every week, it's not like the same ad um, just gets added again. It's like a new version of the ad gets added again. So you have one new version of the ad every week, and you should just do that in areas throughout Florida. There are three tips that I would say about running these kinds of Craigslist ads, though. One, only run a new ad once every 48 hours. If not, Craigslist will flag you and they'll potentially kick you off. Two, if you are going to run a new ad, make sure to change something dealing with like this top part right here so that you're changing the name of the ad itself. Even like a one-word change can make a total difference in the ad and then potentially not get you flagged. Third thing is whatever area that you are promoting in, make sure that you are choosing a street or location in that area. So this one is running in Palm Beach for us. We actually chose a street, so Sea Spray Ave in Palm Beach in order to run this ad. So I hope that something like that is helpful to you as well. This is one of your competitors. So I'm not sure if you're located in Orlando, but I actually just look them up in order to find out their information and see what they were doing. So I did this by doing a quick search for Orlando business card design, and it just showed me all of this information on different people that were in the area. So when you have an actual website or you have an actual landing page, this is the kind of stuff that you would be able to show up for, and this would put you leagues above the rest that aren't doing this. Just looking at something like this, so this is one of the tools that we utilize here at our company. This is Ahrefs. Basically, it's a paid tool that you can use in order to find out more information about either your site or one of your competitors' sites. So as you can see from that Orlando print company, they're getting 1,000 users a month just from having that website up. So think about if you were to be in one of those top 10 spots and you had a website or landing page of your own up. You would be able to drive so much more traffic to you and your page and so many more interested parties. So just to reiterate some of the things that we went over today. One, presence. You should think about getting yourself some kind of landing page or website. I would definitely say to get a landing page because they're easier to build. And it's also something that you can build on your own with your background in graphic design, social media graphics, business cards, like all of that stuff. Two, omni-channel marketing. When marketing and promoting yourself, you should use as many channels as possible. The three that I recommend would be Fiverr, Upwork, and then Craigslist. And three would be after creating the website, it would give you a chance to actually start ranking for keywords and then also these backlinks as well. So backlinks is anywhere across the internet that other domain or pages point back at you. So that gives you more authority across the web. So if you look at Orlando Print Company, basically they have 145 different websites that are backlinking to them. So across 145 different websites, they have 465 backlinks. So it increases their authority across the internet. And if you think of Google as kind of like a popularity contest. So I hope that this information has been helpful to you and you can utilize this on your own. Um, I guess you're wondering, I guess what now? Well, you can either go and use this information for yourself, and I am perfectly all right with that, and you should actually. But if you do need some help, or if you want the most effective route, you just kind of want to save yourself some time, you can actually give me a call at 970-829-1342. Once again, my name is Marquis. I'm with Nomatic Marketing, and my number is 970-829-1342. Or you can actually just message me on Facebook too, and that works. All right, I look forward to hearing from you, Justin, and have a good one.